The downsample device on the Modify menu reduces the dimensions of Heightmap similarly to how a resample or resize modifier would. However, the downsample device uses a unique method of reduction that results in extremely accurate reduction. Typical resample and resize methods use bilinear or bicubic filter methods which have limited fixed size filter windows, often only 2 pixels wide. The downsample device has a variable window which is extremely efficient at reduction factors greater than 2 times reduction. Bilinear and bicubic resampling filters also have artifacts as a side effect of their filter algorithm, which usually results in edge distortion or sharpened final images, something that may be unwanted in a Heightmap reduction. The downsample device has no filter artifacting and results in a much more accurate reduction.